Well, so it begins. Okay, well, I did it. Bought the second worst car I ever bought. Actually, this one's the first, but man, doesn't really seem real. Hopefully I'm not bankrupt. Okay, so you saw the glamour shots. Yeah, some people sleep on a purchase, but like I bought it and slept on it, and you know, have a couple second thoughts at this point, but for the price I got it, I don't know, it's pretty incredible. This car, I don't know if you saw, it's got 92,642 miles on it right now. And the battery is pooch, but I'm not gonna go over everything wrong with the car right now, because that's gonna be a whole nother video. Like, there's an incredible amount wrong with this car, but there's a lot right with it as well. So I bought this car for 2,700 bucks. It definitely has some problems, but it runs right now. Oh man, that's gonna be another video. The car doesn't stay running right now. Battery's totally pooched. The soft top, I think, is causing it to drain the battery. So all these things will be worked on, but I mean, for the most part, this car's bones are like, I mean, they're there. Minor seat, but for what I paid for it, I couldn't care. Now, I never asked people to subscribe or anything, but there's definitely going to be more on this car, and you can watch me struggle or succeed, and you know, it'll be entertaining either way. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.